Let's explore the useMemo hook. useMemo is used for optimizing React performance with memoized expensive calculations. useMemo is a React hook that memoizes the result of an expensive calculation. This prevents unnecessary recomputations on every render. So, if a value does not change, it will return the old value instead of recalculating it. Here's the basic syntax of useMemo. First, declare a constant memoized value. Then assign useMemo function to it. useMemo takes two arguments: a function that contains the expensive calculation and a dependency array. The function will only rerun when the values in the dependency array change. Let's see the problem we are trying to solve. Without useMemo, the function calculates some runs on every render, even if the item's prop hasn't changed. This can lead to performance issues if calculateSum is an expensive operation. Here's the solution using useMemo. The calculateSum function is now wrapped in useMemo. The function will only recalculate when the item's prop changes. This avoids unnecessary recomputations and improves performance. Let's look at a real-world example. Here, useMemo is used to filter a list of users based on age and search term. The filtered users variable will only update when the users or search term variables change. This is much more efficient than filtering the data on every render. When should you use useMemo? It is a good idea to use it when you are performing heavy calculations or large data filtering. Avoid using it for simple operations or when the dependencies are changing frequently. Overusing useMemo can actually hurt performance, so use it wisely. Here are the key takeaways from this video. useMemo prevents expensive recalculations, improving performance. Only use it for truly expensive operations to avoid unnecessary overhead. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.